Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will unboxing Casio. This is Casio AE-1000W. Let's open it. Let's talk about materials. The case, glass and the band watch is made of resin. Resin is a high impact plastic. The back watch is made of stainless steel. This watch has world time zone, 31 time zone, alarm, timer mode and stopwatch mode. And this is a regular time mode. Light button, the battery life is 10 years, 100 meter water resistant, you can swim also. The width of the watch is 45 millimeters. It's very good watch. It's also cheap. Thank you for watching, subscribe and like.